Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. China's Chongqing province is home to some of the most dangerous roads in the world. Such as this infamous Token Stone Road in Wuxi County, which features a dizzying incline of seemingly impossible sharp turns. The road features steep inclines and sharp turns that require careful navigation. The key to navigating this road is not just the driver's skills, but also patience, precision, and careful management of the vehicle's momentum. Although it's quite a dangerous and challenging road, several trucks navigate through this road to bring medical supplies, food, and other vital provisions to some of the most isolated parts of the county. Mostly flatbed trucks with front and rear independent dual-circuit air brakes are used on this road that can effectively come to a stop while coming down the slopes. Therefore, while navigating through this road, the truck drivers need to approach each of the 18 turns with extreme caution. If the load in the back of the truck shifts or the tires slip, it could cause the truck to roll backward or even fall onto its side. Therefore, the drivers need to take a slightly different approach. They must turn the wheel at a sharp angle, getting as close to the adjacent wall as possible. They then have to reverse slightly and then complete the turn. Built between two mountains, the Token Stone Road is the only way to travel from Tianping Community to Mingzhu Village. In 2018, the Chinese government built a new highway including the Token Stone Road as part of an initiative to make sure that citizens living in the most remote areas could get access to essential goods and services. The road is embedded between two mountains that are often accompanied by clouds and breezes. However, it passes through the mountainous villages and settlements, which are also not an easy path to navigate. Two-way traffic is also an issue drivers sometimes face while heading towards the Token Stone Road ahead. The natural scenery around the road makes it even more astonishing. The mountains, Token Stone Road, and the geographical environment, everything make visiting this terrain worthwhile. Whether it's the mountains of Wuxi or the island of Cuba, trucks may be used to fulfill the basic needs of the public. For instance, in Cuba, semi-trailer trucks are used for transportation. Known as camel or camel buses, These are semi-trailer trucks that have been retrofitted into buses capable of carrying dozens of passengers at a time. The camel got its name from the two humps on the giant bus, made by welding bus bodies together end to end, which are hauled by semi-trailer trucks. This variant of transportation emerged during the worst of the economic crisis in Cuba. Part of the reason for its success was Camel's capability to carry 10 times the number of passengers on a traditional bus. Camel not only offered an easy mode of transportation, but it became a saving solution for a city of over 2 million people. From the inside, Camel buses are hardly indistinguishable from other passenger buses. They have seats, 2 doors for passenger cabins, door controls, and bars that passengers can hold onto when they need to stand. In addition, it features a separate cabin crew for 2 passengers, including a driver. Before each journey, the Camel buses require inspection and maintenance, both inside and out. As they did in the 90s, drivers and mechanics checked the engines, tires, and brakes, often improvising repairs due to the shortage of spare parts. To keep the vintage Camel buses running, the team performs regular maintenance, such as oil changes and engine tune-ups frequently. Camel buses are still an essential mode of transport for Cubans, for both the rich and the poor. In fact, Camel drivers are considered blue-collar heroes. They not only maintain the bus, but also navigate overcrowded streets to ensure passengers can make it to work or school safely. According to Miguelin, the bus driver, the Camel never stops carrying passengers, apart from unforeseen reasons.
Y es bastante constante, por lo menos este de nosotros es bastante constante. Él se para únicamente por combustible, no se para por nada más. Y las personas, lo puedes ver, la cantidad de personas que él transporta.
Camel buses are driven by drivers on preset routes in San Cristobal City. Today, it is the only city where these humongous buses can travel without any hindrance on the roads. While Camel buses were invented by joining 2 bus bodies end to end, a local company in Pakistan has built a customized triple-decker bus to cater to the needs of its customers. On the day of the journey, the bus arrives at the departure station, where it undergoes a maintenance and inspection process. Due to its unique structure, the triple-decker bus requires checks such as engine diagnostics, brake inspections, and structural assessments. In addition, the interior and exterior of the bus surface are cleaned, polished, and sanitized before each trip. The The triple-decker bus features a standard cabin designed for both passenger comfort and capacity, with 2 floors of seating, large, reclined seats, and audio-visual entertainment. Additionally, the buses are equipped with wide windows, allowing passengers to enjoy panoramic views during the journey. The bus also boasts modern amenities such as charging ports, Wi-Fi connectivity, and entertainment screens, providing a first-class travel experience. There are built-in special cabins at the bottom of the bus, known as the limousine section, which provides travelers with a unique luxury experience, while allowing transportation companies to maximize their capacity.
हमारे रूट के वो पेशेंट्स जो ऑपरेट हुए हैं कमर से पैर से जिन्हें लेट के जाना पड़ता है इससे पहले उनके पास 2 ऑप्शन थे या तो वो 2D या फेंडर बुक करते 20-25 हज़ार दे के या तो अगर पैसे वाला होता तो बाय एयर चला जाता। ये जो हमने किया ये सिर्फ उनके लिए कि वो यहाँ आके 6,000 रुपए में एक इजीली एंड सेफ सफर कर सके कराची के।
When it comes to the boarding procedures, the company takes great care in streamlining the ticketing process so that the passengers can enjoy their journey, rather than focus on the unnecessary details. This is even more important because the triple-decker bus frequently caters to patients who are traveling to or from medical treatments. After boarding has been completed, the triple-decker embarks on an approximately 430 miles long journey between Karachi and Kedah, which takes nearly 10 to 12 hours to complete. Buses are critical for intercity and national travel in Pakistan. Therefore, transportation companies have become increasingly competitive in recent years. Many build and modify their buses or work closely with engineers to produce new designs. Due to the economic crisis in Pakistan, jobs are very scarce for engineers and local workers. Therefore, the competition among transportation companies to develop state-of-the-art buses creates local jobs, not only for engineers, but also for carpenters, ironsmiths, electricians, welders, painters, decorators, and leather workers. The final look of these buses is nothing short of a marvel. With colorful curtains and RGB lights, along with an out-of-the-world paint job, these buses look quite similar to a ride in Disneyland. Another distinct feature of these local buses is their sirens or horns that would startle everyone, even on the busiest roads of Pakistan. From navigating extreme mountain roads in China to operating custom-built high-capacity buses in Pakistan and Cuba, these unique transport systems reflect the ingenuity required to overcome geographical challenges. The ability to design and maintain such vehicles underscores the importance of innovation in meeting the ever-evolving needs of transportation and connectivity. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.